Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn one more concept, and that is the most important concept in any object-oriented programming language. Is called classes. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create classes, how we can declare variables, instance variable, how we can use constructor to initialize the variables, and how we can create a function and access those functions by using object. So very simple, just create a class. We say class is shape. In this class we take two variables, so we say L number type for length, then we have breadth B for number type like this, and you see that it need initialization. So what we do, we just create a constructor for this, and here in constructor I say L number, then B for breadth for number, and we initialize this dot L equal to L and this dot B equal to B, like that. Then we create a function. So without a function keyword, we create function in class, and just I say get area for this, and I return here, and I can specify return value also like this, and we return it here, this dot L into this dot B. Save this. Now class is created. Now we can create object. So I say let, or I can say const also, and I say rect means rectangle area, and I say new shape, and here I pass two values, and then I say console dot log, and I say area of rectangle equal to, and I pass here rec dot get area. Save this, and we just compile this. So tsc class, and we compile it in watch mode, then go to another command prompt or terminal, and here we just use node and class, and we execute. We have a area of rectangle like this. So it's a very simple to create a class by class keyword, then variable, then this, and we can make these variable private, public and protected. By default this is public, but I can create private also. So if I say private like this, private, so I can't access those variable outside of the class. Similar way output we have. Now here you see that in this example we are creating these lnb and this lnb two time. In Typescript we have another way to create these instance variable without creating here. So I just make it comment, I just make this also comment, and here you see that we are not accessing these variable because they are local one. So in place of this we just write private and public. I say private, I say private. You see that after writing private or public or protected here, then these variable automatically become the instance variable. That means I am passing a value from here, automatically these values are coming here, and automatically it converting into instance variable. So L and B become instance variable, so no need to create a separate variable here and to initialize these value here. Now if I am not changing any value, so I can make those variable read only also. So I say read only, so I can make this as a constant variable read only. So same output I will have, no problem at all, but now these are read only, we can't change value. If I try to change this value like this, so it will generate an error because it's a read only property. Okay, so this is the way to create a class in Typescript, to create a constructor, and to create a constructor to create instance variable also, Like that we can also create instance variable, initialize instance variable. We may have a shortcut way to create instance variable. So like that way we can create this class, also object of this class also rec, and we can call the method like this. That's all in this video about classes. If you like this, please do subscribe. In next video we will see some other object oriented techniques in TypeScript. Thank you for watching this video.